Hello, welcome to That's in Kitchen. In this video, I will show you how to make the most delicious baked mushrooms, topped with a rich and creamy bechamel sauce. This baked mushroom recipe is simple yet indulgent, perfect for a cozy dinner or as a side dish for your favorite meals. First, simply slice the mushrooms into even pieces. This will ensure they cooking uniformly. Next, thinly slice a medium-sized onion. Onions bring in a lovely sweetness to the dish. Now heat up 6 tablespoons of olive oil in your pan. Olive oil gives a great base flavor. Once the oil is warm, add the sliced onions. Saute them until they are soft and golden. Now stir in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. This adds a nice richness to the dish. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt. Time to add the sliced mushrooms. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for about 30 minutes on medium heat. This slow cooking will bring out all the flavors. While that's cooking, let's start on the bechamel sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to a separate pot. Then add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil to balance the flavors. Next, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This will thicken the sauce. Stir everything together until it's well combined and smooth. Now slowly add 2 cups of milk, stirring constantly. This helps avoid lumps and makes a creamy bechamel sauce. Season the sauce with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper for that extra kick. If the sauce gets too thick, don't worry. Just add a little water or more milk until you get the perfect consistency. Now, pour the cooked mushrooms into an oven-safe dish, spreading them out evenly. Pour the bechamel sauce generously over the mushrooms. Make sure all the mushrooms are fully covered with the sauce for a creamy finish. Preheat your oven to 200 Celsius and bake the dish for about 45 minutes. This will give the mushrooms a deep, flavorful finish. Once done, sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese on top for that golden cheesy crust. Pop it back into the oven for another 10 minutes at the same temperature. Just melt the cheese. To finish, garnish with freshly chopped dill and parsley for a fresh burst of color and flavor. And there you have it, delicious baked mushrooms ready to be served. I love serving this dish on a bed of mashed potatoes. It's a perfect combo of creamy, cheesy goodness. Thanks for watching. See you next time on That's in Kitchen.